everybody, in this video we're going to talk about finding the final amount in a word problem on continuous compound interest. Now, with these word problems, you're not going to be told this is the topic you're working on, right? You're going to be given a problem on your exam and you're going to be told to solve it. So we need to carefully read it to determine if we're dealing with compound interest or quarterly interest or once a year interest, right? So let's go ahead and read this problem. Suppose that $2,400 is borrowed for 5 years at an interest rate of 7.5% per year, compounded continuously. Find the amount owed assuming no payments are made until the end. Do not round any intermediate computations and round your answer to the nearest cent. So compounded continuously automatically indicates we will be using A equals P e to the RT, where P is the principal or the amount owed or the initial amount put into an account, in this case 2,400. R is the interest rate, and in decimals is 0.075, and time is the amount of years. We're told it's borrowed for 5 years, so time is 5. So we take this equation, we plug in our values. P is 2,400 times E. Now E, what is E again? E equals, or is approximately 2.78. But you want to use E on your calculator. You don't want to do 2.78. That means that's the do not round any intermediate computations. It's one of them. And then we're going to raise to the 0.075 times 5. So this is 2,400 times E. And what's our power? It's going to be 0.075 times 5, which is 0.375. We will end up getting $3,491.91 after some rounding. So when we're told it's continuously compounded or compounded continuously, we use this equation, A equals PE to the RT.